This video quickly walks you through on how to convert Microsoft Word and Google Docs to EPUB file, all right? So we're going to upload Microsoft Word document file on Docs and do the conversion free. If you are still creating maybe some doc files in Google Docs, it's still the same. Let's just get right into it.
The first step is to save your Word document in your PC. All right, so let me show you my own. So look at this Word document here, named Exchange ebook. I want to convert it to EPUB. Okay, so after you have finished saving it, take these following steps. Okay, launch your Chrome browser or any browser at all. As the browser opens, visit gmail.com and log in into your Gmail account. So here I'm logged into my Gmail account. So the next step is to open a new tab by clicking on this. Then visit docs.google.com. You can see the web link here, docs.google.com. I'll press the enter key on my computer keyboard. You'll be on an interface that looks like this. Click on blank document. Once it opens like this, you can copy the text in the Word document and paste it here. Alternatively, you can import it. And for you to do that, click on the File tab. You will see some options. Select Open. On this open page, click on Upload. Then select Browse. Navigate to the document you want to add, that is the Word document file. So look at the file I want to add here. I'll click on it and click on Open. Wait for it to be imported. You can see here mine is 30.5 megabytes. Okay, this Word document file has been imported. Alright, so we're going to save it as EPUB file. By the way, this is a book I wrote on Microsoft Exchange Online for beginners. I'm going to publish it on Lulu and it's going to be distributed to other platforms that sell books. Alright, so be on the lookout if you want to learn about this. Once it's published, I'll have the link in the description. You can check it and make a purchase. So let's get straight. So wait for it to finish loading before we can save it as EPUB, alright? It's done loading, so let's now save this as EPUB file. The next step is to click on File tab. Then select Download option. You will see a lot of options here, and one of them is EPUB publication. Click on that. You can see the file is downloading, so be patient until it's done with that. And the conversion is done. So if I get to the downloads folder of my PC, I will see the EPUB version, and if I double click on it, it will open fully. So let's see how it looks. And look at how it looks like. So if I keep going, I'll keep seeing what is inside and a lot of information, very beautifully made. So be on the lookout and make a purchase. Thank you.
If this helps, consider subscribing. Here we cover a lot on information technology, so subscribe to learn more. Hit the like button and leave a comment. See you some other time.